This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a deed plan. First, understand that a deed plan is a precise drawing showing property lines, dimensions, and any structures. It's a vital legal record for buying, selling, or developing land. Accuracy is paramount, as even small errors can lead to significant legal issues. Typically, a licensed land surveyor is the only professional qualified to prepare such a document, ensuring it meets all legal requirements and standards. Next, the process involves thorough information gathering. A surveyor will review all existing property documents, including previous deeds and survey plans, to understand the historical boundaries. Then, they perform a detailed physical survey of the land. Using advanced tools such as total stations or global positioning systems, they precisely measure all corners, lines, and features. This includes noting any structures, fences, and utility easements, which are critical for a complete and accurate plan. Once all the data is collected, the surveyor proceeds to draft the deed plan. This involves translating the field measurements into a precise drawing using specialized software. The plan will clearly indicate the scale, a north arrow, and a detailed legal description of the property. Every boundary line, its exact length and bearing will be shown, along with the total area of the parcel. Any easements, rights-of-way, or potential encroachments are also meticulously depicted. Finally, the drafted deed plan undergoes a rigorous review to ensure absolute accuracy and compliance with all regulations. Once verified, the licensed land surveyor affixes their official seal and signature, certifying its authenticity and professional standards. This certified deed plan is then officially filed with the appropriate local government office, such as the county recorder or land registry. This crucial step makes the deed plan a legally binding and publicly accessible record of the property.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.